Hi, my name is Michael Bennett, and a lot of you have asked me questions about how does the E-ring work and what does it do to work with energy currents. So what I'd like to do is take a minute here with my friend Mary, thank you Mary, to demonstrate to you what happens when it transmutes and it actually neutralizes electromagnetics in your phone, on your power lines, and so forth. So what we're going to do is demonstrate a little kinesiology. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a baseline for Mary, this which is going to tell us if it's true for her or not. So it's going to align with her nervous system if it's true. If it's not true, then it'll actually go down. So I'm going to get, first of all, some accuracy and some baseline. So my name is Mary.
My name is Mary.
Hold. Okay, so now I'm going to say my name is Tanya. Okay, hold. Okay, so her body knows that's not true. So we're going to use this as a measurement device. So what I'd like you to do, Mary, is let's go ahead again and get your baseline of Mary. Hold. Okay. Now go ahead and hold on to your cell phone a minute. Now your cell phone is disrupting the electromagnetic field. It's something called magnetobiology. And what's going to happen here is I'm going to muscle test her to see if it's enhancing her, and the answer is going to be no.
Whoa.
It's actually bringing down her energy field. So think about this when you're working with energy on a regular basis, be your computer, your iPhone, whatever it is, it's actually disrupting your electromagnetics and bringing your immune system down. So I want to demonstrate now just the device, which I'll just hold up here, which is the E-ring. And the E-ring has got a series of minerals and nutrients, ion donors, all kinds of things in it, paramagnetic fields, the elements that your body needs for minerals, nutrients, and vitamins, that's going to actually add to her energy fields. Just hold on to the ring so it doesn't slide. Okay, now hold. Okay, just drop it in my hand, just let it slide off. There we go. Okay, now back to her phone. Hold.
Whoa.
See, this is the difference, and some of you have been asking, well, how does the ring actually work? I don't feel it. That's a demonstration of how it works. You can put this on a computer power line, you can put this on your fuse box, whatever it is, and it's going to bring those frequencies into your environment. Thank you.